How many times you say, I would like to leave and go in another place? And many people say Canary Island is like paradise. And you say, is true or not? Well, depend what is your life and what do you pretend of your life. But the quality of a life in Gran Canaria or the island people is very high. Everything works, everything is good. The police do their job, and there are no crime, no victim, no somebody that stole. No, it's free. The people that work here, everybody have the contract, everybody have enough money for have everything that he want. There are nothing too bad. Sometimes we like to stay in the stress or full of problem because this is party funny of your life, but in Canary Island this is not. You don't have time for this because the life here is quiet. The life here is the natural. The life here is without problem. You don't meet the rain. Very strange that rain or cold. So, if you sit with your family, if you already have people with you and you would like to stay in a place for live, I suggest to stay in Canary Island. But the truth, if you love the adventure, you love the crazy moment, you love to meet many people and to do many things, Canary Island will be boring for you because this is a very quiet place. And it's perfect if you would like to stay in peace, if you want to kiss the sun, if you want to run, if you want to do sport, if you want to read, if you would like to stay alone, if you would like to stay without problem. So you can decide, adventure crazy life? No, it's not for you. But good life and everything could work, no crime, and enjoy day by day, Canary Island is your place.